In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund from Taobao. If you ordered something on Taobao and it didn't arrive as expected, or you need your money back for another valid reason, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. I'll explain the choices you'll see, what evidence to prepare, and how to keep the process smooth. First, go to Taobao.com and log into the account you used for the purchase. From the homepage, open My Orders or My Taobao. Locate the order you want to refund, then open the order details. If you have many orders, use filters like date or status to find it faster. Double check you're in the correct order before proceeding. Inside the order page, look for either refund or return and refund. The option you see depends on the order status. Choose refund only if the item hasn't been delivered yet or if you don't need to send anything back. Choose return and refund if you received the item but need to ship it back to the seller. Pick the option that fits your situation best to avoid delays. Next, select a refund reason. Common reasons include item not delivered, product damaged, wrong item received, not as described, or late shipping. Choose the reason that most accurately matches your case. Accurate information helps the review go more quickly. Now upload proof. Strong evidence increases approval chances. Add clear photos of any damage or the wrong product, short videos that show the issue, and screenshots of your order details or conversation with the seller if relevant. Make sure images are well lit, show the problem clearly, and include labels or packaging when helpful. Enter your refund details. Type the refund amount, add a brief explanation if required, and submit the request. Keep your explanation concise and respectful. If shipping fees are part of the dispute, note that in your message, if applicable. After submission, wait for the seller's response. They may accept the refund, offer a replacement, or propose a partial refund. Keep communication polite and within the Taobao message system so everything is recorded. Respond promptly to keep things moving. If a return is required, ship the product back to the address provided, use a trackable courier, and pack the item securely. Upload the tracking number in the refund page, then wait for the seller to confirm receipt. Keep your shipping receipt until the case is closed. If the seller refuses or stops cooperating, escalate the case within the order page. Open a dispute so Taobao can review your evidence and make a decision. Provide all relevant proof and timelines, and monitor your notifications for updates. Once approved, refunds are typically returned to your original payment method. Thanks for watching and follow these steps to get your refund process